So we got here a French lock. Brought this one from Corsica, and we had it underwater for our Deep Blue Diver Club, but we didn't open it and didn't pick it. But we are now trying to open it and have some cola here, cola water. We have every lock we have to put in some vinegar or something like that. Pretty nasty. So it's a standard, and let's see what we can do here. It's the key, pretty rusty already. Looks like a 4-pin. And we already opened. It was out of the pack, saltwatery, standards, what is it, about 30 millimeters? I don't know, it's 30 mil, French lock, crap, piece of crap. Alright, see you next time, bye bye.